Traders, top of the morning to everybody, and welcome to a Friday session here at the 44 Trading Room. Hopefully everybody's doing great and ready to get back on track. Well, yesterday, as we summarize what's going on here, had the worst trading day of the month yesterday, and hopefully today we get back on track here. It's been one of those tough days as we get going here, and as I start to see the markets here, what we're lacking is that move and sustained move to the upside or to the downside. We get the bounce, we got the volatility, we just don't have anything that's sustained that moves in that direction that we get to move in each and every day. So it's been tough, and I got to tell you, the way that it's been going here, we've got that got a large move on the downside, and it's been faced with, okay, you know, we're looking forward to a bounce. We want to have a bounce, but it's not guaranteed, and we're just not bouncing. There's nothing that's been going on. So as we get into today, we're going to be watching for that to see if there's any type of continued bounce when and if we move, and then we kind of will roll from there. But not a great day yesterday. In fact, all losing trades, which hasn't happened in quite some time. I don't have the historics on it, but I don't know, 6 months or more to where I've had a day like yesterday. So tough trading day, tough trading week for me. Probably will turn my week red, which again, that doesn't happen very often. But again, it's part of trading. You have to look back. You have to, find out what's going on, and that's part of trading, right? So let's talk about this. Let's get into the market today. The Asian markets, will start off with the evening session or the overnight session where we saw the Nikkei drop 698 points. Hong Kong Hang Seng down 465, and the Shanghai and China down 52. Europe still in session. German DAX is the only bright spot, up 63. FTSE in the UK down 2, and the CAC 40 in Paris down 23. You meld that with Asia, you've got one market up, 5 markets down, putting pressure on the U.S. futures. And we're fairly stable right now. Dow futures this morning down 7, Nasdaq futures down 22 and a quarter, and the S&P 500 E-mini down 2.25. Nasdaq 100 E-mini down 29 this morning. What's the headline news out there? What's causing this? Well, before we talk about that, let's put a grip on gold this morning. That's up $68, back over 5,000, 5,016.40. Silver's up almost 4%, $2.968, 78.65 per troy ounce. Copper's down, platinum's up, palladium is up as well. And then you look at oil this morning. Oil's flat here, down about 23 cents, 62.61 per barrel. But crypto, nice move higher this morning off of that 60,000. Remember, we touched that. We're at 67,228.94 on Bitcoin. Ether's up, Solana's up, Doge is up, and XRP up. Consumer prices really affecting today. Consumer prices rose 2.4% annually in January, less than expected. So that's a good thing for the economy. And that's about it. Dubai's DP World replaces CEO after Epstein links emerge. I think the Epstein files are taking down a lot of people here from their past involvement. Okay. Enterprise AI startup Cohere tops revenue target as momentum builds to the IPO. That should be a good one when that comes out here. And that's about it this morning. Pinterest pins down about 22% pre-market as tariffs hit their earnings. And then that's about it. Rivian up pretty big this morning. We'll talk about that one and more. But first, let's say good morning to everybody. Dow futures just turned green, and maybe we get a turn to the good side here this morning if you're going to be playing this market long. Clifton, good morning. Welcome to Friday. Steve, good morning. Christian, good morning. Scott V, good morning. Mark, good morning, my friend. Yep, thank God it's Friday. Jonathan, good morning. Seth, good morning. Brian, good morning. Jay, good morning. And Trentster, good morning to you. Okay, we are set to go this morning. Let me post a couple of trades here this morning that I like this morning. My first trade will be the shop trade, SHOP. Been trying to nail this thing a bunch here this past week and not had any type of fortune with it. Shop over 111 though, long and strong this morning. Roku, which posted here, let me just read this to you on Roku this morning. Because it's important to understand where this stock has been and what's happening with it today. So Roku comes out, shares rising about 15% after Rosenblatt hiked its price target for the TV streaming platform to 118 from 106, implying a $42 upside. So 118, and this thing is trading at 96 this morning. So any type of breakout on Roku over 97 this morning, I'll take this trade here. And then we've got the DraftKings here. Anything under 22, DKNG, post this one here. This will be a short, and I'll read to you what's happening here. 22 on DraftKings here this morning. And the news coming out, DKNG, shares falling about 17% after the sports bettor operators 2026 revenue forecast disappointed. Fourth quarter, they earned 25 cents per share on 1.99 billion. That was better than the 15 cents a share and 1.98 billion in revenue. However, the company expects revenue this year to be between 6.5 billion and 6.9 billion for far below the consensus estimate of 7.31. So their forecast going forward not so bright here this morning. And then Coin 154, we'll be watching this, COIN long at 154. And let's see, that's about Rivian. We could take that. It's just not a big enough mover. I'll put AMAT on here, 362. Okay, AMAT 362.
Hey Scott, traders.
Okay. Hey, what's going on, Amir? How are you? Good morning to you. Happy
Good,
Friday.
good.
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
Doing just fine this morning, actually. I was telling the team my worst trading day yesterday of the year.
It's very tough. I'm thinking this week, with all the experience that I had, I'm thinking about people that start or no, doesn't have experience. One word, they fucked up. There's
Yeah,
no way they can
yeah,
succeed, really. It's so tough. You need really to be on the trade. If you see that there's no volume or something, take partial, raise your stop. You have to be aggressive. You have to have the skills, because there's no way for people to start. Really, it's no. There's so much. You see the trap, and you see those algo, and very tough. Very tough.
yeah, no doubt
Yeah,
about it.
yeah, yeah. You have to be very sharp in the risk management, really. I can see low percentage of success, but I'm cutting the losses, so I can do pretty well even with 30% success, even a little bit less. So it's really tough. It's really tough, and yeah,
Yeah. So what do you like this
um
morning? Anything?
yeah, definitely. Well, I wrote. My major will be DKNG and Coin. Now with DKNG, I'm open-minded, Scott, for both, and you can see even in the pre-market they start something there. There's a lot of institutional, not a lot of shorts there, so everything can happen. There is the 2250, which the high of the pre-market, and of course you have the low 2074, which is the low of the pre-market. So I'm open-minded. Coin, there's so much, opportunity there if there is success to continue the buyers. Coin, high of the pre, I saw it's 155.20. And there is a small cap, I gave you three. CRSR, it's new for today, and JZXA and JDZG are from yesterday that I like to see whether sometimes it can continue. And of course, this is something usually I'm following on the earning. Second, third day, FSLY. Did you see what it did yesterday?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yep.
So I want to see what's going on today. And there's others, but I have to be very focused, because too much, when I have too many, I'm not doing well. You spread all over. You need not more than two, three for the opening. So
Well, we're going to find out this morning what exactly
yeah,
happens
yeah.
here. So
We,
the futures are flat to down just a little bit. We open here in 5 seconds. My key is going to be watching AMAT this morning, coin DKNG to the downside, and we are open for business traders. Let's make it happen today.
FSLY, what is it did on the pre? 16. CRSR, 688 already broke. DKNG.
Okay, going to be taking Roku first thing this morning over 94, ROKU.
Yeah, it's Roku. How many
93
stocks
stop
are you watching for the opening, Scott?
loss. I'm watching 9 this morning.
Really? No, I
Yep.
mean for right now, like at the beginning.
Oh, about 4. Yep.
Yeah.
About
Okay.
4.
Yeah.
I'm going to
I
take
know
coin
your
150.
I know your
here.
capability, but hey, 9 you can't.
Yeah,
No,
I mean
really
my
for the opening. Yeah.
my capability is a lot bigger than what I need to be watching. I would say that's a good point. I would say to anybody out there, I narrow this thing down to about 10 out of maybe 20 that I start with, and I nail it, go down to 10, and then I'm focused on maybe 4 at a time because I can't be all over the place,
No, you
right?
can't, and it's too dramatic at the opening. It's too dramatic. Yeah, you can't. You just can't. You can make a list and you can make a second list, but cheers. Right now, I see FSLI is running up, CRSR is running up, DKNG is down. Like, you have to be. Also, Pinterest, I think, had earning. No, Scott? PINS.
Yeah, pins at earnings, it's down right now at $14.
Yeah.
I've been watching that stock this
I
morning
didn't
too.
watch it because.
Okay, here comes the coin trade, COIN 150. We're waiting on the Roku trade to come bounce back up.
You want to
This
take
is
it
what-
150?
Yeah, I'm taking it 150 here right now.
Stop the low of the day.
Yes, yep.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, the high of the pre-market was I think 5 points above, so the
Yeah.
risk reward is good.
Yeah, absolutely. I love it this morning, COIN.
You see, even if it's the open of the day, guys, when we're talking about stocks, I know the levels. I know what they did on the pre-market. They had volume, so everything is kind of pretty clear. Um, 2120, 2160. CLSR. 2160. And I don't even talk about the silver, which is a high, the SLV.
Right.
But yeah, we need to.
Come on. I'll add it 151 and a half.
I'm watching 2120, 40 cent stop. I'm gonna take a short there. DKNG. Right.
Watch the ad here, 151.50 adding on coin. And I'm watching the Roku trade at 94 entry. And I missed it, but 111 I'm going long shop. I'm going to get rid of this garbage here, this Rivian trade here. I shouldn't
Okay,
say garbage, it just doesn't move a lot for me.
DKNG not there yet. I don't know now. There is a range 2120, 2160. Um, it can pop above 2160, but it can be a false. I'm watching it even now. I'm not gonna take the long above 60 because I want to see if there is like a trap. Looks like a good
No,
opportunity.
no trade on
Uh,
Roku.
2120, I definitely because it hit the 60s 3 times. So I'm waiting for DKNG. There's a pressure on 152 in coin, huh, Scott?
Yep.
You could see twice, like tons of, yeah.
Here comes shop. I'm long the shop trade here. I did not get in right at 111 here, but I'm going to add at 112. See if we can get this to go. Roku reminds me of my trading yesterday, trying to pick that bottom,
Guys,
and that's not
CRSR,
the
I'm
way to
buying
do
it
it.
here. CRSR, 710, and my stop gonna be like 11 cents, under 7. Above 710, CRSR. It's on the list. Only above 710. Okay, it's drop, it's fine. It's holding nice the view up. If you're aggressive like me, if it's breaking 7, you can buy some position and can give it like 5 cents stop, which did now, and I'm gonna add above 710. Still watching DKNG, guys, under 720. Wow, SLV, what's going on there?
Okay, shop looking okay here. I got a problem with the coin trade. We'll watch coin 148 break. I'll be out. Again, these are just small share size trades right now. I'd like to think Roku could go here, but I haven't seen anything, and the market's down to start. Jonathan's taking snow long.
Okay, guys, CRSR, high of the
Yeah.
day 733.
I'm going to come into Roku here. ROKU a bit early, 92. Okay, there's the
Okay,
post. I'm going to go long
CRSR.
92 here. I'm long.
Okay.
I'm going to add at 93 full share size. 91 is going to be my stop loss.
Okay, 20 cents, CRSR. Um, if you watch the daily, 7 was huge. Like if we are now breaking it according to the daily, there is a gap fill 752. Okay, so that's the area for the partial. If I can see it, a little bit before. I don't like what DKNG did.
Yeah, I'm still in the coin trade here. This is what hurt me yesterday, holding on too long. NASDAQ down 134, Dow's down 267 to start the day. Remember, Monday is a holiday. The market is closed, and we are closed here in the room, so we will see you back on Tuesday.
President Day, no?
It is, yes.
What does it symbol, except it's for the president? What's the symbol of that
That,
holiday?
that's it, really, just a day to celebrate president, and past presidents, really. So,
I'm still in the CRSR. I did a spike like, yeah. Stop is under 90, yeah.
come on. Can't believe this on coin. Come on, coin. Roku holding in there. All we need is a small turn in the market to get Roku going here. I'm long shop too. I've got
You
3 trades
definitely
on.
can believe it on coins, Scott.
Yeah.
This is the stock to do those kind of things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Stop is 62 in DKNG. If it's get there, I'm not gonna stay. Yeah, Nasdaq and everything is dropping down.
Yeah, Dow down now 351, NASDAQ 190. Yeah, Roku will be $90 here, and I'm still holding on to coin. Similar to yesterday, traders, no bounce in sight at all.
So CRSR few cent in the money, DKNG against. What you saw in, I don't know if it's gonna be in CRSR classic game. You see it broke, did 23 cents, immediately came, did a spike under the view up, but the candle was on the view up. Probably if you have a stop in the system, throw your way. And right now, yeah, I have to see. Yeah, DKNG out, lost, risk. I'm not holding this, yeah. We talk about the games, before us, Scott.
Yeah, absolutely.
Exactly, the game begin, yeah.
I think we're going to get this. I think we're going to get coin. I know I'm getting shop right now. Shop's going to be the add over 112 to full share size. Just be patient today. And hopefully hopefully we circle this back around and start to move higher. Come on. Okay, Roku going, coin going, shop going. Maybe we go from 0-3 yesterday to 3-0 today. That would be a beautiful thing.
DKNG.
Yep. Go, baby, go. Coin target's going to be over 152. We've got a nice move now on shop. I am long, full share size now. DKNG moving up. Come on, coin. Keep going. 153 target COIN. 113 target SHOP. Come on. Okay, NASDAQ only down 62 points. I need Roku to go. I think I've got the coin trade figured out here. 153 is going to be my target first profit. Here comes the 112 now on shop, and we've got this coin trade here. I'm going to take off half of the trade here. Actually, I'm taking off 3/4 right here, right now. 154, man, come on. 20 cents to go. We're right there, 154 out. Nice, I nailed that, 154. Super trade now on the coin trade. That's 4 points to the upside there. Now on a full share size trade, that kind of sets my day up rather nicely now. Okay, quarter of a trade left on coin, Roku in, and full share size on shop. All right, not bad.
JZXN, it's a small cap that I wrote you. I want to take it over 253. 2.53, yeah. Pretty low stop. Still in CRSR. Okay, CRSR, 40 cents. A little bit less than 40 cents, looking good. Okay. Told you 750 is a close gap, so I want to take a partial there. That's my
Nine,
area.
9-0 break, I'll be out of Roku. I'm going to play this one tight here. As soon as it breaks, I'm done.
Still waiting JZXN. Okay, under 750 partial in CRSR. Beautiful. Beautiful. Partial.
Here we go with coin and shop. Let's go.
Okay, good. Good partial. CRSR, really nice. JZXN, pretty close.
Come on, shop, break out for us here. We need that 113 on shop. I'm gonna hold on to coin just for you, Amir. Just for you.
The opportunity there is phenomenal, Scott.
Yep. See if we break
Phen-
out at the top.
yeah. And because you know, 150, what was the numbers? 155.17 was the high of the pre-market, and yeah, you know, coin, the ATR is amazing. So,
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Wow, DKNG starting to take off now. We've kind of paused here again. Yeah, I'm still in the Roku trade, Scott. I
you
knew I
see,
said
guys,
90 here. I'm just waiting on it.
CRSR, when you make homework, you actually can take the partial at the peak because you know that it's a closing gap. So it did like 6 cents above and then pause. So that's a really good area to take. Everything is paused suddenly, huh, Scott?
Yeah, no doubt. Come on. Shopify looking good, slow but sure. And I held in there on coin. I'm glad I did, Amir.
Definitely. There was a shakeout, but then, the potential is amazing. There is an area I wrote myself. There is 158, and then you can get even to 160, 250. So yeah, the potential there. If I was with you, 158 area. That was the another area.
Yeah.
JZXN is cancelled. CRSR now. Stop still under 7. I'm not dealing right now with the stop.
Roku doing it for us here. Shop just needs to roll here. I'm going to take 200 more shares off of coin, 200 more shares off of coin right here at that 155.90. And I've got 200 left on coin, and then Shopify full share size here, Roku small share size, but I want to add to this trade here. If we get back over 91, we'll see what happens here. Really want to short this DKNG as well, but I'm not yet. CRSR, really nice move. Did you end up getting that? Amir?
Yeah. We bought a little bit above 7 and partial 7.48.
Super nice. Come on, shop. Go.
You see, Scott, the coin.
Well, now it's really starting to take off to the right side. We
Yeah.
got that 158 in sight here.
Exactly. That's the area I thought I would take the another partial, but then wait for 162. Yeah. I think DK and G, Scott, we can actually make it short here.
Hmm.
Let me see the levels exactly.
I mean, I think right here that 2250 break that just happened, but
Yeah, 2230.
hmm
2230, yeah. And we can put a stop like 35 cents. Yeah. 2230, stop 35 cents.
Man, just I mean, Shopify is just so slow here, and Roku about the same thing. You would think that something like Roku would start to take off now, but the market has gone from red to green. Stock was in the news today. Good news. And here goes coin. I'm out all shares coin now.
62 wait for Scott.
Now, I'll hold on. 50, 58, and I'll come out of the rest if it pulls back down here.
DKNG is looking good.
Yeah, nice move.
Yeah, we are 40 cents in the money. And definitely
All that you have on that DKNG is the VWAP line supporting you.
I think if it's breaking 2180, I'm gonna add
Yep,
30
I
cent
would
stop,
agree.
guys.
Looks great.
2180, DKNG add 30 cent stop for the add. Yeah. CRSR still good. We can raise the stop under 730. DKNG, guys, 2180. Add original entry 20 to 30.
Oh, come on, shop. Need shop to stay above that VWAP line, and um, hopefully Roku bounces back here. I got both of these to go, both of these long right now. Come on.
Here's the 60, Scott.
Yep.
Yeah. 62, I think that's an area I'm gonna take another something. Yeah. 62.
I just have 200 shares left here. I
Doesn't
need,
matter.
yeah, I don't need Roku as bad as I need shop, and then this coin trade. I'm already got my day made on coin, which is good.
You know, your 200 shares at 162, it's gonna be worth 2400, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Something like this, no?
Yeah, no, my entry is 150, so yeah,
Okay,
absolutely.
yeah, that's what that I will remember, yeah.
Another two
So
grand or so on top of.
that's the key, guys. The last potion sometimes is made in really good. That's the meaning of, the let it grow. You take partial. Scott like to say pay for yourself, but definitely there's no. You just don't know where it's gonna go. Another stock that I'm watching, guys, is FSLY from yesterday. I want to take it over 17, 25 cents stop.
Scott, can you hear me?
Wow on coin. Jonathan, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can hear you. Traders, I want to introduce Jonathan, who's I've been personal friends with for a long time, and he's been a member here in the room and with TradeNet for a long time. Coming to us from Australia, and
Really? So
yeah.
it's the middle of the night. It's
What
middle
time
of
is
the
it there,
night.
Jonathan?
Middle of the night. It's 1 o'clock, no? One, something like this, no?
What time is it there, Jonathan?
I think the market start 12:50, Scott, because I had some student for the mentoring. I remember.
Okay.
In the middle, he fall asleep.
Yeah.
Where is my take profits? I'm gonna tell you. We need to break 2170. Above 2210, I'm gonna reduce the ads. I'm waiting. Right now, I'm waiting. Scott, here's your 162, Scott.
Yeah. I'm
Told
watching it.
you.
Listen,
I
Amir,
told you.
it's going to be great, and I appreciate you, and that's why you're here. And this is,
Yeah.
I'll take 100 more shares off here, and
That's
I'll
what I
just have
wanted to
100
tell
to
you.
go.
That's what
Yeah.
I wanted to tell you, yeah.
In case we get a bigger
You
move.
see? Yeah. It's another 4 points
Yep.
from where you want to go. Yeah, I saw, guys, that's, I'm not just throwing in numbers. I saw, before when it was one of the candidates, so I have the numbers, I have the resistance, the support, and when you see this kind of volume coming and you see it's buyers. Today's coin is just buyers. Look at this, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, with a huge volume. So you just don't quit at 155, 6, 7 because it's $5, $6, but now it's $12. So, and it can be much more. The ATR of coin. Yeah, and today the relevant volume is bigger. So many checks into your favorites. So that's something you can learn from the trade. Yeah. Always, be involved in the trade with the information, with the numbers, and then you're gonna feel much better. We're getting twice to the 60 something, and it was not a big volume, I don't see, in the CRSP. If it's breaking low 70, 60, I'm gonna take another quarter. Okay? It's getting new high with not a lot of volume. So I'm just wondering. I'm not gonna get out, of course. I'm gonna leave some, but I want to see it. I want to see the volume. That's a stock with 66% a high. It's probably on the screen of everybody. So
Jonathan, can you hear us now or no?
maybe fall asleep, Scott. Told you.
Maybe.
Right now it's 1:30 a.m. Yeah. At least today there's a lot of opportunity, huh, Scott?
Yeah, a lot more.
I think he's trying to talk.
Jonathan, can you hear us now?
I can hear you guys. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Okay, perfect. Yeah, perfect. I can
Oh,
hear you
perfect.
perfect.
Yeah.
What time is it by you?
It's 1:30 a.m.
Yeah.
1:30 a.m.
Yeah.
There you
Yeah.
go.
So 12:30 open here. Yeah. Well, for me, that's a normal opening time
Right.
that I've
How,
been
how do
doing
you
that.
how do you trade usually? You trade the first part and then you go to sleep?
Yeah, yeah. Usually I'll do an hour, and then I'll
Yeah,
go to bed.
exactly. Because I
Um,
used to have students from Australia, so what we did with one, we just traded second part of the day, because he was tired. I saw him on the first lesson, second. I told him, yeah, if we want to do it, like like something that you can do every day, it's not working. So you wake up, you go to sleep earlier a little bit, but come in for the second part of the day. So wow, Scott,
yeah,
163.
Yep. So I mean, here's the case in point traders. I mean, Amir helping me out, who's always been a help, ever since I've known him. I would have been out probably 150. I would have probably been out at the break of 155, and instead I got 6 to 7 more points. And now the 100 shares I have left is going to add another $1,400 to the day. So right
I'm
now
expecting 20%,
I'm
Scott. I'm expecting, we're
no
not working
kidding.
for nothing.
No kidding. No kidding.
Okay, no kidding.
So just to put the day together, I'm in Shopify at 111. So I've got 35 cents there made. My Roku trade, I'm in at 92. So I've got $1 to go there. And I think when I get to $1, when I get to the 92, I'll probably hold on, add at 93 if the volume comes up. If the volume doesn't come up, I'll chop it right there and call it a day because I'm up big after having a big losing day yesterday. So this is nice, good bounce back day for myself today, and hopefully all of you have joined in.
yeah. I was at 154 on the coin from the low. So
Yeah,
you picked up an extra $9 on it.
and that's and quite frankly, Jonathan, that's only because Amir was here. Seriously.
Oh yeah. Well, I lost the first trade on it because
Hmm.
I longed it, but it dipped.
Second chance is the best, best, really.
Well,
Yeah.
I've gone through the ups and downs of, what if I just waited 10 minutes to enter the
No,
trade,
no, no,
not
no.
cop the loss. But
64, Ascot.
Yeah, true.
good trade, yeah. Had a good trade on MU. Got it below 400 at 398 and wrote it up, which was nice. I think Scott V in the group also wrote it up as well. Um, don't know what to do right now because everything's just what I'm watching is all up, so I don't want to get into anything.
Jonathan, how many trades are you taking per day now? About
I try to do 3,
uh-huh.
4, but if I do 2 good trades, um, I go to bed.
You know,
Wow, look at the volume right now, Scott. It's just like,
yep. Look at that. Look at the coin trade. I mean, just
yeah, yeah,
straight
yeah.
up,
I'm talking about the coin. Yeah.
crazy.
You have 168, you have something, some resistance. Guys, FSLY is in. Um, what I would like to see is the high of yesterday was 1786. Today high 1764. If we're gonna get the second day, after everybody saw the earning and everything, that also can be a really good trade. We have to watch it here. DKNG, I had to reduce the ad. Yeah, but I'm still the original core. End of this 5 minute candle, my entry will be above the original entry, 20 to 30. I'm waiting for the end of this candle. It's good that we took another partial CRSR. Again, reading the tape is one of the quality that you have to develop. You could see that it broke a new high, 1760, 760, maybe did it triple times, so there was a problem there. So definitely you have to take a partial, especially when you are deep in the money, and stop is under 730. Somebody took the CRST guy, CRSR. Okay, you took a partial, two partials, okay. Good, good. Stop in the system. You don't have to manage it. My stop is in the system under 30. I'm not gonna. Okay, 25 cents in FSLY. Well, actually, we cover the risk, but I'm not going for one-to-one. Let's see if we can get to the high of the day. If not breaking, that area probably going to be a good area for a partial. And if you have questions, guys, today are quiet. Ask questions. What's going on?
Watching Snow, Amir.
What do you mean?
Snow? SNOW.
Ah, snow.
Snow, yeah.
Okay,
My
snow.
accent.
Yeah, it's like snow, but it's the Australian version.
No, I like the Australian version.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just that it's moved up, but now it's just kind of sitting there.
My
Hasn't.
problem is the range. You know, like the high and the view up area, like we're doing in the range. So. Even AMD today is nothing.
I was gonna trade AMD. I had an entry at 208, which I didn't take. I missed.
Okay, guys, almost 35, 40 cents. Let's see. Area for CRS, FSLY, sorry. Yeah. Looking good. We actually took, for a good formation of breaking above VWAP, side move, support under the VWAP, the stop. And the potential is really good. I'm watching it in 5, of course, and I see just the 9 just broke the view up now. So it just it's showing that it didn't even start if it's want to, start. Okay, 40 cent almost.
Roku down, I'll give it to 88, and I'm going to come out of this trade. Small share size, but you know what? It's eating out of my profits now.
Wow, Scott, the coin is so far from the 9, from everything. Wow, so
it can
stretched,
really run.
but no, it can really correct a little bit, but because it didn't correct, you see, even nothing, no correction, no nothing.
Right on.
Where is your stop right now?
What's that on coin?
On coin, yes.
I'm going to go 161.
One what? 61?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Right
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
I just
If
have
it's
100 shares left.
Yeah, exactly. If it's 62, we need to give it a range, and then 61 give you really good. You're gonna be very proud.
I
Good trade.
hope so.
Yeah. You know so. You know hope so.
Yeah.
Most of your money is there. Yeah,
Yeah,
CRSR. Yeah,
I'm in the
you
red
see.
on Shop and on Roku right now. Hmm. Hey Zuki, how are you?
This today there was a lot of options, Scott.
Yeah,
Much
more
more to
so.
trade.
Yeah.
Definitely. I can feel it.
Market's a little bit more positive. We kind of caught that wave.
I don't know if it's a little bit, but you can't say that the market is look at Nvidia, look at Tesla, look at Apple.
Yeah.
Everything is negative. It's like there's the specific stocks are made in the move, so you can actually follow them and f the market.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the CRSR. It's earning coin. DKNG. Yeah, DKNG. It's like yeah. You see, every drop in coin, buyers are coming. Ask God, they don't even give them. You see, it walked the 62, and probably people got out a little bit, and then buyers came 61, 62. Amazing, huh?
Yeah.
Amazing. Like you actually can see the pressure of, and you know what? There was a big volume right now. Yeah, look, guys, look at the candle right now. Yeah, you could see. You watch the level two, you watch the price. It's like, it's
And the
amazing.
good thing about coin is you got really good volume,
No,
all
you
day.
saw it immediately. Yeah. This is what I told you. You could see. You have the indicator of the relative volume, Scott.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah, so you can see. I love to watch it because you actually can give you a good indication. So okay, FSLY guys. Let's see. Okay, 40. Let's see if we can break the 50. 64 is the high of the day. Okay, we're almost 40 cents in the money. Much more. What's the time now? So yeah, my stop. I'm more aggressive because it's Friday. Stop is under 17, under the entry, few cents, and I want to see if we can squeeze another maybe 10 cents or so. Think this bar is high is 39, so we have like 2 minutes. I want to see if we can break it. It's looking good, looking good. It's not that I'm pushing the edge, like I'm watching some stuff and try to get the best of each trade. It's not that I'm greedy. Like, you see the potential, you see the risk reward, and definitely you want to get advantage of this. Because probably in coin, you could take $3 and then you feel the top of the world, but it's not why. You can make 12 points and then it's good. Here it is. We have to break the 40, 1740. Yeah, I'm out for the last portion in CRSR. Broke the 30, so I'm gone. Yeah, the momentum, I think it's gone at least for now. It's the range, and I think we probably nail it. We took two partial at the high. We raised the stop, and yeah. Only one is the mystery to me today is the DKNG.
Roku. Single-handedly killing me here and Shopify here. 109 on Shopify will be my stop.
You have good plans for the weekend, Scott?
You know, we have what's called Valentine's Day tomorrow, which I, you
Everybody
know,
has Valentine. So
yeah,
what does it influence? You
it's
still doing
it's
this
a,
with your wife?
no, we don't go out on Valentine's Day. It's one of those
Exactly. We
things. It's
also.
like
We also.
it's
And
like
I never buy flowers. I never
no,
bought a flower. My wife now said, if you're gonna buy flowers, I know something bad happened.
yeah. um, it's like Father's Day, Mother's Day. It's just I don't
Yeah,
know.
the family. Yeah, I know. It's
But
like
what we
few
do
days after.
do, what we have been doing is we get the I make king crab legs here and
Wow.
great couple bottles of wine, and we just stay
You
in.
buy it?
Yeah,
You
buy it
can't
here. Buy
you
it
can't
here.
fish it there.
No,
It's in
no.
Alaska. Yeah.
Yeah, it's cold water.
Yeah.
And so I'll do that, and then I'm gonna play some golf this afternoon. Right when I get done here, I got to take off, um, and then I don't know. Sunday, I'm probably boating. Amir, I haven't been out on the boat in a while because we've had a cold weather streak here. So
Mm.
yeah, get the boat out a little bit. Probably go, maybe an island or a bar or both. Probably.
Sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Mark, you
Right.
can use it. Mark, we can. This room is multi-room. You know, trading, dating, love advices. Yeah. Yeah. Today, when I was driving, I saw so many people, go with flowers in their hand. It looks ridiculous, in my point of view. Yeah, yeah, it
I'm
looks
doing yoga
ridiculous.
tomorrow for Valentine's Day.
You
What are
do
you doing?
what?
Yoga.
Yoga. Yeah.
Yoga.
Amazing.
Yoga. Yeah. Yeah. Um,
By
mm.
yourself or with your?
With
I don't know
my
if you.
partner, with my girlfriend.
With,
Yeah.
amazing. That's sensual. You see, Scott? That's
Yeah.
great.
There you go.
That's amazing.
Now we're learning something, right?
Yeah, yeah. You know, my wife is doing some yoga on the YouTube, and there is a girl,
Mm.
and she's Australian. Yeah, so I'm
What's her
watching
name?
her. On what's her name? What's her name? Let me
My,
see.
my girlfriend's a yoga teacher. She does online stuff as well.
Really?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Her name's Jackie.
Okay. I'm trying to see what the other one name. Probably she
Mm.
know her. What's the name? Ah, Nicole. Nicole. What is the
Nicole.
name? Yeah. Move with Nicole.
Move with Nicole.
Yeah, yeah. She's Australian, so she's doing a lot of Pilates. I saw
Mm.
because my wife is doing with her. So you see, Mark, it's not just love room and trading room; it's also exercise room. Yeah.
Right on.
Okay,
One
DKNG
stop
guys,
shop.
DKNG. I'm gonna add back under 2170. Yeah, I have to. It's showing lower high. It's under the 9. I just want to see the capitulation bar. Yeah, 2170. The stop is 2230 for sure. You're flexible, Jonathan. I'm not so much. I'm trying to work on this, but it's never been my strength.
Ye- Yeah, I've got good flexibility. I'm 28 and I've done a lot of
I never
martial
been
arts.
in none of my age. I was flexible. Yeah.
Well, you're old now, so you got. It's even harder for you, Amir.
I'm in the best shape I've ever been, Scott.
Right now.
Yeah. I'm
I
running
love
like
that.
there's no tomorrow, and I'm, really everything is fine. But flexibility never been my strength. I got much better, really, like with the everything. But basically, a yoga teacher need a lot of work with me. That's for sure.
I was wondering, Amir, who's the older brother between you and Amir?
No, it's not. It's not my brother. It's not
Oh
my.
no.
It's not. It's just really Barak is pretty common name. Yeah.
Oh really? Okay,
No.
cool. Okay, I thought you guys were. I thought you
Nah.
guys were
No.
brothers.
No. 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 It's just call. It's just common name.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Is it
So.
Cyprian?
Excuse me.
Is it a Cyprian name?
What do you mean, Cyprian?
Cyprian, like from Cyprus.
Supreme.
Supreme.
What is Supreme, Scott? I'm not following.
Cyprian.
What does it mean, Jonathan?
Like a name that originates from Cyprus.
Oh,
No.
where is
No.
the?
No. No.
No, I think
The
it's more
meaning.
Israeli, right? I mean, what is the Barak? Where would that
It's
be
a good
from?
meaning, Scott.
Yeah,
The meaning of Barak is lightning. So you
really.
can call me the lightning trader.
There you go.
In Arabic.
In Arabic, no. But
No.
Amir in Arabic is a prince. So you can call me the lightning prince trader.
There you go.
So I'm a multi. Yeah. Amir in Arabic is prince.
Come on. I need
Okay,
Shot to
guys,
get
here
up
is
and
the
go here.
50.
Come on.
Let's see if we can get the 50 here in FSLY. It's a good candle. I'm watching it now in 2 resolution, in 5, 15, and 2. I want to see the 2 because the 3 minute is, the 5 minutes is 3 minutes. So I want to see if we can squeeze a little bit more.
Watch your FSLY here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm talking
Yeah.
about FSY. Oh,
Okay.
here's the boom bow. I love those candles. Really nice. Here's the 40 something. Under 40, I'm going to take the partial, guys. $45, $44. Looking good. Looking good. Somebody in FSLY, guys? Yes? Okay. Good. Good. Okay, another 44. Under 40, I'm going to take a partial. We have 2 minutes for the candle, and I think this is really volatile. Another problem half, and then I can manage the rest. Let's see. A beautiful 5 minute candle in FSLY. I'm pretty optimistic. I'm going to wait a little bit. We have 1 minute for the end of this 5 minutes. 35 seconds to finish the candle. Fifteen, 13 seconds. I want to see the next 5 minutes how it's going to start. And okay, finish it. Let's see. Now I'm with my finger on. Under 35, I'm going to take the partial.
And traders, I'm going to be out of here. I just came out of the Roku trade, and I'm going to give it 20 more cents here on Shopify, and I'm going to come out of the Shopify trade here at 111, which is my entry. One of the reasons is I've got to go, so I'm going to finish up.
You need to buy the king lobster.
Yes, sir, king crab. Yeah. I'm going to take off now for the weekend, and I will see everybody back on Tuesday. Remember, Monday is a holiday. Tuesday is our first day back. So yeah, I will, Scott. I will. It's my first day playing golf in about 3 months since I've had some hernia surgery, and I'm looking forward to getting back to that and getting out and enjoying. So you'll be in good hands with Amir for a little bit. I think Jonathan will probably fall asleep here in a little while, but
Yeah,
Jonathan, I
I'll
appreciate you.
I'll head off in a couple minutes.
Yeah, I appreciate you joining us, and look forward to being with you again next week.
Bye, Scott.
Yep, thank you,
okay,
Amir.
guys,
Hey, listen,
here
brother,
it is.
appreciate
Let's see
you
if we- thank
making
you
me
very
all that
much.
money today, man.
Okay,
Thank you.
750, guys. Under
Take care.
45, I'm going to take the partial. Okay? Under 45. Okay, partial.
Thank you, Suki. Thank you, Mark. Take care.
Beautiful, guys. We got 1746. You took a partial, guys, FSLY? Guys. This is how you know you trade and you actually squeeze as much as you can from the trade. You don't just settle with few cents. Good. Bottle of Boo Good Zuki. Yeah, good. I think I'm done for today. It was a good day. I think, hope, the managing help you, to understand, to see where you can actually, push your edges. I'm still optimistic about DKNG. I'm watching it in 15 minutes. Definitely the seller now has the stronger, but again, game plan 22.30 is the stop for the entry, which is 22.30, and under 21.70 I'm gonna add. Okay, so nice to meet you, Jonathan, guys. Thank you
Nice to
very
meet you,
much.
Amir. I'm
Here,
going
here
as
is FSLY, guys. We have a new high, 1753.
well. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, so thank you. Bye bye.